When a user receives the machine, the first thing you need to check is the gauge here. The system's pressure should be indicated in the gauge. This is to confirm gas leaking did not happen on the way from my factory to your place. If pressure are not indicated in the gauge, we need to find the leaking area and we need to fix it, vacuum it, and then do the gas leaking test again. We can never release the refrigerant. All the refrigerant is locked inside this receiver. We cannot release the refrigerant into the system before we fix the leaking. This is the number one thing we need to do after we receive the machine. Before delivery, we locked all the refrigerant inside this liquid receiver. So, before you run the machine, you need to unlock the valves. There are altogether 3 valves. This is the valve number 1. This is the valve number 2. And this is the valve number 3. The valves should be unlocked to release all the refrigerant from the liquid receiver into the system. And the user should never touch this valve. Again, the user should never ever touch this valve. Never touch this valve and never touch this valve. They are already in the correct position, so do not adjust them. No touch with this and no touch with this. No touch.